What's up, guys? Let's talk about how to improve your scores in game and how to get better at this game with the combat system. The combat system is quite tricky. First off, you do want to make sure that your weapon levels are high. The higher your weapon levels are, the more initial brave that you're going to have, the stronger your attacks are going to be, and the more stats you're going to have. So you're going to be able to withstand more hits. But mainly having that higher initial brave is very important because you can see in this battle, we're able to just go and break everybody. Most likely. Yep, break. Brave attack, break. We can even now get a kill off of this goblin. And to get higher scores, you want to kill them fast. You want to take little damage. You don't want to get broken. So very basic stuff. Let's go ahead and do a special here. And we're going to select the target that is going to be attacking Tifa, because Tifa is going to use all of her brave power. When we attack for 4013, she's going to have 0 brave. So it means if she takes another hit, she's going to get broken. This bomb is going after Zidane. Zidane has a lot of bravery, so we're perfectly fine there. We can actually probably finish him off. So we're going to go and break him with a special. That's going to push him back in the turn order. And now Zidane's going to be able to swing away with his HP attack. You'll notice Zidane actually has a secondary skill now too, because as we leveled up, he unlocked a secondary skill, free energy. The number corresponding on the right there of the free energy says how many uses it has during this battle. So it does not replenish until the end of the battle, so you have 3 uses of this. If you hold down on that skill, you can check and see what it does. Fair chance, 3 turns defense down to target, and 3 turns defense up to self. High turn rate. So it's also going to do brave times 1.2 plus HP attack. His stellar circle, 3 hit melee brave attack. And then it's also 4 turns speed down and 4 turns speed up to self. So the free energy attack is really cool because it's going to deal HP damage. It's also going to deal 1.2 times the brave that he has, which means right now he has 1,000 brave. This attack would do around 1,280 HP attack because it's going to do more damage, hence that 1.2 multiplier. You also do need to realize and understand how much your heroes hit for just basic brave. So Zidane, for example, when we brave attack, he's going to hit for around 800. This guy has a resist, which means he takes 50% less. Tifa, when she braves attacks on my game here, she's going to hit for around 800 as well. Again, that 50% resist made her down to 398. Looking at the turn order to see who's going to take damage and also who we can kill. Squall can actually go ahead and kill this guy, and Squall will not be counterattacked by any of the enemies, which is good. So let's go ahead and kill this guy over here. And we're killing the guy that has a lot of brave, because we don't want him to use that brave. Now the turn order again, we have Zidane, Tifa, and Squall coming up. We're going to try and kill both of these enemies at the same turn here. We can't kill the little goblin yet, but we can come very, very close. And it looks like this floating dude over here, enemy number A, has a little bit less than 2,000 HP. So we're hoping that Tifa can finish him off. We're going to do free energy because it's going to be a brave attack. And it finished off the enemy. So even though it wasn't glowing purple, just because that attack did 1.2 times in brave, it did more HP than the enemy had. And it's not showing you that, hey, this is going to kill them. So now we'll HP attack with Tifa. And glowing purple means the guy is going to die. The strategies that you need to use are similar to all battles. In boss battles, it gets a little trickier. You have to think more of the long game. You have more chances to die because the bosses generally get stronger as they progress down in their HP. So as they get to like the 50% mark, they start doing better attacks. As they get to like the 75% mark, they do better attacks. So you have to really focus on doing a massive amount of HP damage faster towards the end and build up your attacks towards the beginning. Plan your assaults. So here we are in the last battle. We can use all of our special attacks. So let's go with Stellar Circle here. And then let's go Beat Rush on the enemy. And here, once again, we could use Squall's HP attack to kill the bomb. Or not to kill the bomb, I should say. To kill the ghost over here, which is probably what we want to do. So let's do that. The ghost is targeting Squall. This is why we're killing this one, target A. So now they're going to attack. Zidane and Tifa both have a high amount of Brave, so they're not going to take much damage. And now we should be able to kill both of the enemies in this turn. Once again, we're going to use the free energy attack from Zidane, dealing more damage than his initial Brave because of that 1.2 multiplier. And Tifa is finishing off. And you'll see our score is dramatically high here. It's because we didn't get broken. We killed the enemies very quickly. And we lost very minimum HP. So still not high enough to get our 14,000 targets, but dramatically up from where we were. The cool thing in this game is there's no energy or stamina on most modes, so you can simply go back in there and repeat, do it over and over again, and practice on these enemies. Hopefully this helps you guys out a little bit with attacking and strategy. Mainly think about the turn order and try not to have your heroes be broken. When they use all of their Brave, they go down to 0. And if they take another attack, they're going to be broken, and then they're going to get pushed back in the turn order. You don't want that. That is a very, very bad thing. So keep that in mind, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, tell your friends about the game and the channel. I will talk to you guys later.